Are you a digital product creator tired of chasing customers? Imagine a world where other people sell your product for you while you sleep. That world exists, and it's called affiliate marketing. In today's video, we're breaking down how affiliate marketing can skyrocket your digital product sales, even if you're just getting started. Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is a partnership. You offer a commission to others, called affiliates, for every sale they bring in. They promote your product through YouTube, blogs, emails, or social media. And when someone buys through their link, you both win. Here's the best part. You only pay when a sale is made. No upfront advertising costs. No guessing if your ad spend will work. Just pure performance-based marketing. It's like having a remote sales team that only gets paid when results happen. Affiliate marketing is perfect for digital products. Why? Because there's no shipping, no inventory, and best of all, no limit on how many times it can be sold. Whether you've created an ebook, a course, a printable, or a membership, affiliates can help you reach audiences you never could on your own. It's a win-win-win. You earn revenue, the affiliate gets paid, and the buyer gets value. Here's how to set up your affiliate program in a few simple steps. Step 1. Choose a platform that supports affiliate tracking. Some great options are Gumroad, Podia, Thrivecart, or Payhip. They automatically generate affiliate links and track commissions. Step 2. Decide your commission rate. A typical rate for digital products is 30% to 50%. It might sound high, but remember, you're not spending on ads, fulfillment, or inventory. Step 3. Create an affiliate hub or welcome page. Give your affiliates images, product descriptions, links, and sample copy. Make it easy for them to promote you. Step 4. Promote your affiliate program. Invite your email list, post it on your website, ask your biggest fans. You'd be surprised who says yes. Okay, so you've set it up, but how do you find affiliates? Start by looking close to home. Satisfied customers, email subscribers, fellow creators in your niche, bloggers or YouTubers who review similar products. You can also try affiliate communities like on Facebook groups, Reddit forums, partner programs on Gumroad, Warrior Plus, or ClickBank. And don't forget, make your offer sound irresistible. Great commissions plus a helpful product equals affiliate magnet. Want to keep your affiliates engaged? Here's how. Communicate regularly with updates and new assets. Run affiliate contests with bonus rewards. Share success stories and tips. Offer exclusive coupon codes just for them. The more supported they feel, the more they'll promote your product. Remember, they're your partners, not just promoters. Let's talk about a few mistakes digital creators make. Mistake number 1, setting commissions too low. Affiliates want a reason to choose you over another product. Mistake number 2, no clear branding or sales page. Affiliates need a polished landing page to convert traffic into sales. Mistake number 3, forgetting to track and pay. Use your platform's tools to automate this and avoid headaches later. And remember, if you treat your affiliates right, they'll stick around. Affiliate marketing isn't just a strategy. It's a smart growth engine for digital product creators like you. Start small. Invite a few people. Then watch your sales grow without spending a dime on ads. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Dollar Finance for more smart money ideas like this. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and let your digital dollars do the work.